is how it was. I had motion, and all I saw was blue. And that's me, who is rising like the tide. I saw the sunrise, and something was echoing inside my heart. That was the footsteps I'm taking to grow up. And I swayed to the rhythm of the ocean, and I was floating in my heart. The memories I had in the past will stay forever in my heart. I can see the reflection of my hard work in the ocean. I have changed and I gave a light. I whispered gently to the sky about those soft moments, and all it was like a dream. Raining night, near the window I saw a shadow behind me. I was quiet, all it was stillness. But that was my story, who was always my shadow, which taught me a lesson of growth. The breeze through the window, which gave me hope. I couldn't touch it, but I could feel it.